and this is MHS Voice.
How does a stick know it's in still water? There's three things one needs to accept to understand this theory. One is speed is equal to distance over time. Two is the speed of light is always constant no matter the relativity. And three is time isn't always a definite. If light is bouncing between two mirrors, but the mirrors are moving, then the light has to go a longer distance between the two mirrors. But the speed is constant and the light bounces at the same rate it would if the mirrors weren't moving. What happens is called a time dilation, and time actually goes slower to make the speed the same. However, the equation is speed equals distance over time, so the distance has to decrease to make the speed stabilize.
And he showed that the speed of light within a vacuum is the same no matter the speed at which an observer travels. He found that space and time were interwoven into a single continuum known as space-time.
Einstein concluded that massive objects and inertia cause a distortion in space-time and exert a force of attraction on smaller objects we know as gravity. So two black holes, 29 and 36 times the size of the sun, collided into a supermassive black hole and released energy 3 times the sun's in gravitational waves. Picking those up was the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, which proved Einstein's theory: the stick only knows it's in water if the pebble is dropped and the water isn't as still. The black holes, for Earth, were the pebble. And that's all the time we have for MHS Explains. This is Mari reporting.
The school would like to formally congratulate our very own Miss Humphreys on her Mastery Advisory Award in FCCLA. The national award is given to the very best teachers in the nation who have a profound impact on the club. So congratulations. The season for lacrosse is finally here at Manchester. Here's Andrew with the story.
A new sport has arrived at Manchester. It's lacrosse, and it's finally here. And this spring, a new era in Manchester sports will be born.
We have primarily a lot of new guys on the team, a lot of first-year players. So it's just trying to get the new guys in order to get the new guys developed. I guess. I mean, we have a couple people who have played a while, and of course, those are the guys who are the leaders on the team. But I mean, right now, our coaches are primarily focused on building the team for the years coming up.
There is only a varsity team this year with a roster of about 30 players. They practice 5 days a week, and they have 14 games on the schedule for this season, the first of which starts March 16th.
Focusing on character and skills, not necessarily, individual goals. I mean, my goal is to not be that startup program. I mean, I want people to think that we've been here for a couple years. We're going to win a couple games and definitely show people that we belong here.
For MHS Voice, this is Ryan reporting.
Every once in a while, Manchester students like to sit down and have a nice breakfast. But which do you prefer, waffles or pancakes? That's all for this week, you guys. Until next time.